This is iPhone 15 Plus, and today I'll show how you can deal with phone calls receptivity issues on this device. So if you do not receive the phone calls on this phone, I recommend that you first and foremost check if your system is either in the airplane or do not disturb mode, and if it is, well, make sure to turn them off. So switch off the airplane mode, then open the focus mode list, and not only do not disturb mode is something you want to switch off, but just make sure that none of those focus modes are enabled. Then you can also go into settings, cellular, and turn off the Wi-Fi calling feature and see if that helps. And well, if that didn't help, any of those advices actually, I recommend that you just simply contact your mobile operator to see if the issue is on their end rather than yours. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.